Hello students, very good morning to all of you. This time we are going to start the first chapter from the second book. The chapter name is the third level. You can see here the chapter is the third level. First of all, you have to introduce about this chapter. What is the real story of this chapter? Who is the chief character in this chapter and which type of opinion they have in this chapter. Students, this chapter is the third level. Why the chapter name is third level? First of all, you have to clear this concept. Okay, you understand here. In America, there is a city, New York, and in New York, there is a Grand Central Station. Grand Central Station. You can see here this name, Grand Central Station in New York. Grand Central Station in New York. At this station, it is said that there are only two levels. There are only two levels. There are only two levels. But in this story, here is a character. The character name is Charlie. The character name is Charlie. Charlie is a 31 years old man. 31 years old man named Charlie. Charlie says that at Grand Central Station of New York has three levels. Has three levels. But another character in this chapter who is also friend of Charlie is Sam Venner. Sam Venner is the character of, is the friend of Charlie. He is not agree here. He doesn't agree here to accept the reality that there is only two level, not three level. But very forcefully, Charlie says that he has visited there. He has observed all the locations. He has cleared everything to visit at that particular place. So he tried to pressurize over his friend to accept this reality. This man, Charlie's wife, is here. Louisa. Louisa is the wife of Charlie. Sometimes she is also realizing that maybe Mr. Charlie is going to move towards a disturbing mode, because you know that sometime any curious experience which you want to share to your relative, to your friends, anyone, they find hard to believe it. Why they find hard to believe it? Because it is strange. That curious experience was strange to accept in reality. So everyone finds hard to believe about that curious experience. The same thing is also here about the Charlie's opinion, about the Charlie's concept. Nobody is ready to understand and to accept the reality. So friends, this is the part of this story's theme. Now we have to start this story. Let's see. First of all, its writer name is Jack Finney. Jack Finney. A very intelligent writer, well-known writer, well-known essayist in the English literature. You can say that his writings is associated with the local themes and based on the nation's feelings. So he is also known as also a patriotic writer in the history of America. Now you see the presidents of the New York Central and the New Haven and Hartford Railroads will swear on a stack of timetables that there are only two. These all are the name of place in New York City, and all these things is a very famous. All these places are very famous place in America, and everyone knows about those places that there are only two levels. There are only two levels, but I see there are three. But the character Charlie here says that no, there are three levels, and this is a big matter here to understand everyone, to accept everyone how they will accept this strange topic, because everyone knows in New York City that all this place has only two levels. Nobody has idea, nobody has visited to the third level, so this was very difficult for them to understand this reality. Now because I have been on the third level of the Grand Central Station, and very forcefully he says that he has visited the third level of Grand Central Station. So he is forcefully saying here, he is forcefully expressing his ideas about the third level of Grand Central Station. Now, yes, I have taken the obvious step, and the narrator also says that he has also taken some clear step to understand the reality of the third level. I talked to a physiatrist. What is the physiatrist? Physiatrist is a doctor who treats to the patient related to mental disease. जो भी मानसिक रोगों से, मानसिक विकारों से ग्रसित जो पेशेंट होते हैं, उन लोगों का जो ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं, उन्हें फिजियाट्रिस्ट बोलते हैं. Okay. Here, the narrator says that he also talked to a physiatrist who was the friend of the narrator, and also he put this matter among other and told him about the third level at Grand Central Station. Means this time he is trying to put his words before all the people, to take example of the physiatrist and other people, that they have also accept this reality that there is third level at Grand Central Station. And he said it was a waking dream. He said. Who said? The narrator. The narrator here says that it was a waking dream wish fulfillment. to know about the third level, to accept these points is very difficult, very strange to others, but if you accept it, definitely it is like a dream. It is like a dream that you are going to fulfill your dream. The same thing is also here, to accept such type of ideas. If anyone says and you are going to accept it. He said, I was unhappy. That made my wife kind of mad. And he also added himself as an unsatisfied manner. And the narrator's wife is also dissatisfied with this reality, and she thought that he is going to disturb himself and also herself, and she is realizing herself something crazy. But he explained that he meant the modern world is full of insecurity, and realized also that this modern world, which is looking very clear, but when you will try to judge the reality of this world, you will realize insecure himself, you will realize fearful himself, you will also realize that there could be war anytime, and worry, and there is no rest to anyone, and that I just want to escape. And so he says that he want to escape himself. He want to escape himself. He want to escape his idea. He want to escape his personality, to understand the reality of this world. And I just want to escape. Well, who doesn't? And he also said, who doesn't like to escape himself? Everybody I know want to escape. Who wants to push himself towards danger? Nobody. Everybody wants to secure himself, want to escape himself. Everybody wants to live in security. This is the reality of this world. But they don't wander down into any third level at Grand Central Station. After that, nobody wants to wander down under the third level at the Grand Central Station. This is a big reality here.